How do we keep the neighbor's cats from using my garden as a litter box? And this is Annie.
Ooh.
All right, so yes, let's be careful with this one, because people do like their cats, right?
Yeah, well, I mean, cats
But the cat is
roam.
in somebody else's,
I mean, if it depends on, the cats like nice, loose
Okay.
soil, so just don't have loose soil anywhere. And if you do, put some rocks over it, or maybe some chicken wire or something
Yeah,
that
chicken wire,
just
okay.
lay it on the ground so that they won't want to dig there because it won't be nice for them to dig. That's about the only thing I can think of, because you cannot keep a cat
It's gonna be
away.
tough.
Now there is, I guess, some repellents, but I don't know how well they work. And when it rains or you water, they're gone, and you have to put them down again. So I mean, it gets expensive. I don't know. I think the wire and keeping it on the ground might be easier.
I think so. Yeah, I'll probably go that route. Yeah, repellents. Yeah, got to be reapplied if it rains, right? That stuff wears out over time anyway. If you see the cat, maybe grab the hose, skeet some water at it, maybe. But outside of that, is there something you can plant? Lavender. Cats don't like lavender. The smell
That's
of
true.
lavender.
Yeah.
Maybe plant some lavender around the perimeter
plants.
of your garden.
Yeah, maybe they won't like that.
Maybe they won't like that, won't come in, but. Good luck, Ms. Annie.
I mean, they
be
wander. There's nothing, yeah.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, because they're not eating the plants.
No.
Right. Just kind of in there messing around.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoy it. To subscribe, click below.